I thought the truck alarm was bad. There's a hard line out there that's been going off for like 10 minutes, non-stop. And that's how my car alarm sounds like, but that's not my car. My car is on my parking lot. But like I said, that thing's going to keep going off until it dies. Now it's sharp because I'm taping it right now. Knowing that's going to go off, and I'm going to take the tape off. Anyway, my battery's low on my camera, so I'm going to... Oh! Speaking of the devil, look what happened. I was about to shut my camera off, and get a little of that. Check out that little car. I don't feel like that's going to go off all night. So, what can I do? Not do anything to let my car die? Or what? Come on. Come on. Good. I bet the others are probably sleeping right now. Now I'm hearing the car alarm going off. I don't know what caused that car alarm to go off, but I think it was from the fireworks that were going off earlier, but I don't know. Like I said, I have a feeling this thing's gonna go off all night, and how am I gonna sleep with that going off? I'm sure someone's gonna probably call the cops probably. Not me, but I'm pretty sure someone's gonna call the cops. Or something. But anyway, my battery, my camera's gonna die, so I'm gonna go. It's just something I don't want to hear, because like I said, my car alarm does sound like that loud, exact tone, but my car is on, like I said, my parking lot, and it does not, and I checked and it did not go off. Cut.